Hey there, CEOs. Today we have got something really exciting to talk about, which is making money with e-commerce even when you're starting with a small budget. I know many of you have been asking about this, so let's dive right in. So the first step in this journey is choosing your niche. Remember, it's crucial to select a niche you are passionate about or have knowledge in. So this will help you stand out and make informed decisions. So whatever you choose, make sure you are something that you are interested in and knowledge about. So once you pick the niche, it's time to do some market research. Use tools like Google Trends and keywords research to understand what people are searching for in your niche. Identify your target audience and your competition. And really get to understand your audience, who they are, what they want, and what problem you can solve for them. And then also understand, when it comes to your competition, understand their unique proposition and how you can differentiate yourself from what your competitors are doing already in the market. So with your research in hand, it's time to build your online store. I recommend starting with a user-friendly platform like Shopify or Ecommerce. So don't worry, you can start with a basic plan and then later on you can always build up on that. But I'm biased, I like Shopify and that's what I use for my business. It's a very easy platform to use even for beginners. Now let's talk about your product sourcing. So since you're on a budget, you can start off by ordering just a few products. You don't have to order thousands of them to start off with. Just a few of them to test the market to see if people are even interested in the products. Before you go full in investing in so much money in your inventory. So start with a small budget. And there are lots of suppliers that you can contact on Alibaba and talk to and ask them what's their minimum order quantity, like the MOQ. So there is a lot of them that have a smaller one. That way you can start small for you if you have a small budget. So don't get intimidated when it comes to sourcing products. You don't need to start with thousands of products at the get-go. Once you have a product, now it's time to customize your website. So your e-commerce website needs to look professional. Customize it with a clean and attractive design, high quality images and compelling product descriptions. Remember, first impressions matters because this is your storefront. Even though it's online, that's your storefront. So make sure your website is well designed. Once you have your website all optimized, the next thing now is to think of your marketing. So here's a big one, marketing on a budget. So start with social media marketing. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Create engaging content and use targeted ads to reach your audience without breaking your bank. So you don't have to get intimidated when it comes to marketing. These are easy ways to target your audience using your content, which can be free on those platforms, or using targeted ads, which you can start with a small budget and be able to reach your audience even when you have a small budget. And don't underestimate the power of SEO and content marketing. Optimize your product listings for search engine and create valuable blog posts or videos related to your niche. This can drive organic traffic over time. So put some work in creating this and you'll be able to drive traffic over time. Next thing to consider is customer service. So excellent customer service is key. So respond promptly to inquiries, address concerns, and provide exceptional service. Happy customers can become your best brand advocates. So don't sleep on this. As your e-commerce business grows, reinvest profits to expand your product range, and to explore new marketing channels and optimize your operations. Scaling up wisely is crucial for long-term success. So when you start making money, make sure you're reinvesting that money back into your business to even grow it more. And there you have it, folks, a blueprint of making money with e-commerce, even when you are on a tight budget. Remember, it won't happen overnight. Stay consistent, stay focused, and keep learning from your experiences. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to build, market, and scale your online business. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you never miss any updates that we come up with. And as always, if you have questions or want more in-depth guidance, feel free to ask me in the comments section below. For now, stay strong, stay positive, continue building the business that you love, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.